Guys, welcome to my very first music production vlog. And today we're just gonna try to make a dinosaur sound effect. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the image that's gonna be our inspiration for this project. I have an elephant sound. Try to hear that. And now we're gonna add lion roar. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's try these two first. We're gonna layer them. We're gonna blend it by the help of our audio effects. By the way, I'm not expert about this, so I'm just learning. Now we're gonna add effects on the elephant. So maybe we're gonna put roar in it. Just a bit of noise there. Right, let's do this. Okay, that sounds better right now. There you go, I gotcha. Alright, let's try to consolidate that. Then duplicate. Okay, I think now it works without the sub. I think the sub is not doing anything here. So we're just gonna turn it off right now. I can still hear noise so loud here. I don't know why. There, we got it. All right. Getting better now, right? Cool. Now, if we put it in a simpler, and then we can add more lower octave of this sound. Let's do that. I'm gonna try to record it first. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in our simpler. And then now we can play that sound through our keyboard. Oh, why is it not work? Oh, sorry. Okay. So good, man. Okay. Now that sound, because of the lower octave that I played, that's two notes on the keyboard. That's why it made that sound. We're gonna put some LFO to add a wave onto the sound so it sounds more realistic. Do it like that. Let's hear it. Should we increase more? Maybe 45%. Let's see. So this is how we end up with. Yeah, we're gonna make an audio for it and then we're gonna record. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so and then we're gonna save the audio because this is our final product. Let's hear it. Okay, guys, I think that's all for now, and I just tried. This is my first time trying this kind of thing. Let's hear it again. It's so good, man. So good. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.